I'm about to eat. 5, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5, sour gummy worms, all at once. That's right, that was my foot too. Yeah. Here we go. Gotta get him adjusted here. Hi. I was thinking he was gonna fit in my mouth. That's kind of sour.
Really? Does it sting? Can you swallow?
Well, now it kind of does. I think this was more interesting.
Then what?
Huh?
Then what?
Mine.
You're what?
I think yours was more interesting than mine.
Oh. Yeah, you're kind of boring.
Thank you.
Have to modify it. There's your nose.
Ah.
There's your mouth. Oh, she fogged up the screen. Dang. Why is it all foggy? Okay.